Now, now for the examination, the two examples on sphere that are very IMP. First one is the show that the plane 4x minus 3y plus 6z minus 34 equal to 0 is tangential to the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus y minus 2z minus 14 equal to 0 and find the point of the contact. And second one is show that the plane. This example solved by same method only the example solved by same method. Show that the plane 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 equal to 0 touches the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2z minus 3 equal to 0 and also find the point of the contact. Now to solve the first example. Solution for first example. Given that the equation of the plane is 4x minus 3y plus 6z minus 35 equal to 0, equation number 1, and equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus y minus 2z minus 14 equal to 0, equation number 2. Now to show that this plane is tangent to the sphere. Now to show that the given plane is tangent to the given sphere, that is to show that the distance from the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to the plane equal to radius of the sphere. That is to show that perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to the plane equal to radius of the sphere. That is radius of the sphere. Now suppose that this is the sphere. Now suppose that this is the sphere and this is the plane. This is center of the sphere C, and this is the point P on the plane P of x, y, z. Now to show that CP equal to R, where R equal to radius of the sphere. Now standard equation of the sphere is standard equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2w z plus d equal to 0. Here center of the sphere, center C equal to minus u minus v minus w, and radius r equal to under root u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Now question number 3. Now compare equation 2 with 3. 2 with 3 we get 2u equal to 0, 2v equal to -1 and 2w equal to -2 and d equal to -14, d equal to -14. Since center of the sphere c equal to -u minus v minus w, this is equal to, which implies u equal to 0, v equal to -1/2, w equal to -1. So which implies 0 1/2, center c equal to 0 1/2 1. This is the center of the sphere, equal to center of the given sphere. Now to find radius, now to find r, radius r equal to under root u square plus v square plus w square minus d, which is equal to under root that u square, u is 0 square plus v is -1/2 square plus w is -1 square minus d is 14. So minus plus get, since d equal to -14, which is equal to integration 1/4 plus 1 plus 14. This is equal to r equal to 1 plus 14 is 15 into 60, 1 plus 60 divided by 4, which is equal to root 61 divided by 2. This is radius. Now to find this is radius. Now to find CP, that is distance between center to the point P on the plane. Suppose that let P of xyz be point on the plane 1, on the plane. Now compare the equation number 1 with ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. This is the standard equation of the sphere, which implies a equal to 4, b equal to -3 and c is equal to 6 and d equal to -35. a equal to 4, b equal to -3, c equal to plus 6 and d equal to -35, d equal to -35. So consider d dash equal to -35. Here a comma b comma c are direction ratios of the plane. Now to find distance between center of the sphere to the point P, by using formula, distance of CP equal to modulus of A x1 plus B y1 plus C z1 divided by under root a square plus b square plus c square. Here x1 y1 z1 equal to c, that is center of the sphere, which implies distance of CP equal to, so a is equal to 4 into x1 equal to 0 this is equal to 0, 1 by 2 and 0 plus b equal to minus 3 into 1 by 2 plus c is equal to 6 into 1 divided by here plus d, so plus 35 d dash, sorry, d is equal to minus 35, sorry, minus 35 divided by under root a square is 16 plus b square is 9 plus 36 this is equal to 0 minus 3 by 2 plus 6 minus 35 divided by root of 16 plus 20 by 61, root of 61, this is equal to minus 29 into this 58 minus 3, so this become minus 61 divided by 2 divided by root of 61, this is equal to distance between CP equal to minus root of 61 divided by 2, this is equal to root of 61 divided by 2, this is star, double star, and r is equal to, so distance of CP equal to root of 61 divided by 2 and r equal to root 61 divided by 2, this is double star, sorry, single star. From star and double star, r equal to root of 61 divided by 2, this is equal to distance of CP, therefore r is equal to distance of CP, hence the radius of the sphere equal to the distance between the center and plane, therefore the plane is tangential to the given sphere, therefore the given plane is tangent to the sphere. Now to find point of contact P. Now to find point of contact P. Now consider the line of the equation of the line CP x minus x1 divided by a equal to y minus y1 upon b equal to z minus z1 upon c. Here center is equal to x1 y1 z1 and point P equal to, center is C, point P equal to x y z and ABC are direction ratios of the plane, which implies x, put this values of coordinate of center and direction ratios, x minus 0 divided by 4 equal to y minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 3 equal to z minus 1 divided by 6. Now consider x minus 0 divided by 4 equal to y minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 3 equal to z minus 1 by 6 equal to k, constant. K is constant, which implies x equal to 4k, y equal to minus 3k plus 1 by 2 and z equal to 6k minus 1. Now this point P is on the plane, so satisfy the equation of the plane. Now put these values in the equation of the plane, which implies 4 into 4k minus 3 into minus 3k plus 1 by 2 plus 6 into 6k minus 1 minus 35 equal to 0, which implies 16k plus 9k minus 3 by 2 plus 36k minus 6 minus 35, which is equal to 0, which implies, so this will be 61k minus 61k equal to 35 plus 3 by 2 plus 6. So this become, so z is equal to 6k plus 1, so minus 6, here minus 6. This is 61k equal to 61. Now clear, which implies k equal to 1, which implies k is equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 4, y equal to minus 3 plus 1 by 2, and z is equal to 6 plus 1, which implies x equal to 4, y equal to minus 3, 6 minus 5 by 2, z equal to 7. Be the, therefore p of 4 minus 5 by 2, 7 is the point of contact, Also note that, so second one is example is also IMP. This is for homework. Second one is for homework. Show that the plane 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 equal to 0. It is the plane x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2z minus 3 equal to 0. Also find the point of the contact.